Okay, so on this section, we're going to do function notation, which is the same thing. We're going to be plugging numbers in. The only difference is I've got new functions, and these functions are quadratics. They're called quadratics because they have an x squared in them. So this will also help you practice order of operations, okay? So let's say I want you to find f of 6. We're going to find the same numbers as we did on the first video, but we're putting it into a different equation, okay? So that's going to be 3, because I'm going to use 3x squared plus 6x. So 3 times 6 squared plus 6 times x, which is 6. Okay, here's the tricky part. You do not multiply the numbers together and then square it. The squared only goes with the x, okay? So it only goes with the 6. 6 squared is 36. So we're going to take 3 times 36, and then 6 times 6 is also 36. So you're going to want to have a calculator handy for these. Okay, so 3 times 36 is 108, plus 36 is going to give you 144, exactly. Okay, so it's the same idea. You just have to square the number first and then multiply it by the outside number. Okay, so g of -2. So we're going to look at our g function, -2. Then I would put a place for the x squared plus 8. The parentheses is where my x is going to go. The equation is -2x squared plus 8, so -2 parentheses squared plus 8 is a really good habit to get into. Then what goes in the parentheses is the x. That's -2. Okay, so you bring down the -2, the number on the outside stays there, then you square this. You always do this first. -2 times -2 is a +4. If you take your calculator, though, and you type in -2 squared, it's going to say -4 because you didn't include the negative in your parentheses, okay? What you mean is -2 parentheses squared, like that. And then if you hit equals, you get 4. But it's much easier if you just understand that anything squared is positive, so that will always be positive. Then bring down your plus 8. -2 times 4 is -8, plus 8 equals 0. Now the good thing about the fact that this is going on a video that you guys can watch later is that you can slow me down, you can pause it, you can